You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this village in Alsace, France, in the Alsace wine region. If you want to learn more names of famous places around Alsace and useful French vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Pronounced originally with the more Alsatian or German name, pronounced as Eguisheim, alright? Eguisheim would be the German pronunciation, or Alsatian, but it's more commonly referred to the French pronunciation nowadays, since Alsace has been French for quite a long time. Eguisheim, it's usually how the Alsatians now and the French refer to this village. So the two pronunciations are correct. Eguisheim is probably the most common, so go with Eguisheim and don't use the H or the sh sound. Just Eguisheim is how you say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.